Ucha Nifo Baku. Welcome back to the Garden of Treats, brought to you by the Love Always Foundation. And today we're going to be planting in these green buckets, which you can check out in this description on how we got these buckets for the free ball by utilizing our resources. And these buckets right here, my two brothers bought an investment property, and you know we had to get up off these buckets. So we're going to be planting onions, beets, and radishes. So stay tuned. Oh yeah. The radish is going in these buckets because radishes don't need that much space to grow. And so y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah. We got these buckets from Kroger's. These are the ones that are come from Kroger's in the flower department. So I'm gonna give you the game on these ones, but for the green ones, you got to go to the description and check that video out. We out. You ready to plant some onions? Yep, onion. Onion. You gonna plant some? All right, so right now we are getting these buckets ready to plant some onions, some radishes, and what's the other one? And some beets in these buckets. Reason being is because the field out there is so wet and we haven't been able to till it properly yet. And so we're going to be getting it tilled the first week of the 20th in April. So, and then that'll be tilled up. And so we just needed to get a head start on these underground vegetable crops. And so we're just gonna put them up in here. And these buckets right here, this came from our compost that we had in Texas. And so this is some very rich nutrient soil right here. So these are gonna do amazing. And she planted these garlic right here not too long ago, and they're already sprouting. Look at them looking beautiful. Beautiful buckets from the bros. So yeah, that's what we got going on now. So look at that soil. Look how rich it is. Rich. She about to show us some of these onions once she pop them open. These are the onion seeds right here. And onions only produce one onion per plant. So you got to plant like 10,000 onions to get 10,000 onions. Unless one of them may have a twin or a triplet. How deep they got to go?
1 to 2 inches.
All right, 1 to 2 inches deep.
Do we got one of those little shovels?
Yeah, we got one.
Do you get one?
So inside of these totes here, we planted garlic in one of our previous videos. However, our puppy took some of the garlic out, and then some of it got destroyed because we forgot to poke holes in the bottom of the totes, and so it was filled with water. So that bucket right there, that one still has garlic in it. So we're gonna keep that one regular, but the other, we're gonna keep that one with the garlic in there. And then here in this blue bucket, I recently planted garlic in there. So we'll keep those two filled with garlic. And then these other two black totes, we're gonna plant onions in one and beets in the other. I decided to go ahead and plant these white onions. Yep, they were getting moist for some reason, and I wanted to add a third bucket out here. So this is how it's looking. So we have onions in the blue buckets. In the small buckets we have radishes, and then in the big buckets we have garlic and we have beets. And there's also garlic in one of these blue buckets.
See, look, the green part up here, you put it like that. And we're gonna cover it up. Put it in there. Put it in there. Look. Yes. Good job. Mommy will cover it up for you because I got the glove on. All right, get nothing. These gloves on. This one. Look, you gotta put it in this hole. Here, come over here. Here, put it in here.
We out.